Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can make your slides and pages on your presentation on Canva animated in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your Canva presentation, and here guys at the bottom you will see the overview of your pages and slides within the given presentation. What you want to do guys is select one of these. Let's start with page number 1 or slide number 1. And apply an animation here at the top by clicking into Animate. Next guys, go through that list here, through that library of animations, and you can apply one of these, like, I don't know, you can go with rise or pan, fade in, pop in, like this. Select it and you will see the preview here. You can customize it by clicking into this button here and then select animation specific settings like both on enter, on exit, and you can also remove the animation to all pages or remove it if you like. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.